Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch another hair tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this trendy Alicia Keys hairstyle or stitch feeding braid as it's popularly known as. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this video is for you as I'll be showing tips and tricks on how to achieve this hairstyle. If this sounds good to you, then stay with me till the end as I'll be showing you the finished look or end result of the hairstyle. So without much talking or rambling, let's get right into the video. So my client wanted a more natural color. She wanted something that could match her hair color, hence we chose the color combination 27 and 30. The reels on how I did the color combinations are already available on my Instagram, which I'll be linking down in the description. To see how I did the color combination, scroll down the description for you to see the link, and you can see my Instagram already is available on the screen. In order to achieve this hairstyle, you will need your nails. If your nails are not long enough, you can always get it fixed or get an artificial one, or better still, use a comb. Anything at all that is very convenient and comfortable for you is totally fine. It will still give the same results. As you can see on the screen, I'm using my nails because it's more convenient for me. Like you already saw, while making the hair, I started with her natural hair first before going in with any extension. The purpose of doing this is just so she doesn't lose a lot of hair during the process. Note, the purpose of making this hair is to protect her hair and not damage her hair. If it's damaging her hair, then it ain't protecting, okay? This is for beginners. I will advise, whenever I'm making this hairstyle, always try to start with the client's hair first before going in with any extensions. Also add little portions that will not weigh the client's hair down or not be too bulky for the client in order to avoid the client from losing hair. The purpose, remember, is to protect the hair. So basically what we're trying to do is to use our nails to create lines or stitches on both the left and the right side of the hair before adding the extensions. Considering we are going for a medium size fitting braids, we are trying to add the extensions in a way that doesn't go beyond the size we want or we are working with. So we create the lines with our nails or rat tail comb both on the left side and the right side. When it's time for us to add the extensions or we feel that the hair is about to overtake the extension, we're going with another extension and create another line and braid again. We keep doing this all the way down to the end. If you're a beginner and you've not gotten the hang of it, I assure you that you definitely get the hang of it. As you continue watching this video, you definitely understand how it works. Keep watching and enjoy yourself. Please ensure to like, share and subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell so that when another video goes up, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. I'm preparting and braiding the hair loosely and individually, just the way I want the style to look. If you're a pro, you can skip this step, but if you're a beginner, you can try preparting because it will help you understand what you are doing and the style you are doing. And if at some point the style you are trying to create is not making sense, you can repart the hair to a better style that you like or suits the client. Very important. And after I'm done preparting, I can go ahead to undo what I've done and start braiding the hair properly all the way till I'm done with the hair. we've come to the end of the video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Subscribe.